Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Capital One Bank app. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Check for updates. Open your App Store, search for the Capital One app, and see if an update is available. Outdated versions can cause glitches. Now restart your phone or tablet. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix mirror software issues. After that, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then search Apps, find Capital One, and clear the cache. On iPhone, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Now, visit the Capital One website or check social media for any service outage announcements. If their system is down, it's not on your end. And there you go. If these steps don't work, contact Capital One customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share for more tech tips.